So apparently there's an epidemic sweeping through the primary schools in England. This is causing lots of kids to have head lice, and doctors have actually been banned from prescribing things like louse buster type kits, meaning prescriptions. So what this means is more and more kids are getting lice. The people that have a harder time because of their income paying for it, they can't keep on top of it. So it's just becoming a problem overall for those primary schools out there. So it sounds like they need a Lice Clinic of America, or just to watch this channel to be able to help them decipher what head lice looks like and how to appropriately treat it. There are some things that they can do at a low cost and at no cost to be able to prevent and to get rid of head lice. Some prevention tips that we recommend: wearing your kids' hair back in buns, braids, things like that if they have long hair. No head-to-head contact. Sometimes that's really hard for those younger kids because they just don't understand how to keep their hands to themselves at that age. Another tip that we recommend is you parents doing weekly head checks, not just with your eyes, but with a nit comb. So this is the comb that we recommend to be able to help get rid of head lice. We also can use a bottle of our Lice Clinics of America oil. This will help with these two products to be able to eradicate head lice, so you don't have to worry about it anymore. It's not always the best option to do take-home kits. Sometimes people want an instant fix. We do have that at Lice Clinics of America, but this is an affordable way to be able to get rid of head lice, and it is also effective. We've got links in the description below for both these products. Remember, don't worry, stay calm, we have you. This is your one-stop shop for all your lice information and the products and everything that you need. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. We'll make sure we answer your comments, and we hope you have a better, happy, lice-free day.